What if we could end food waste eating ice cream? Takay is a ready-to-blend superfood meal made with whole ingredients only. No additives, no sugar, no BS. You can now have fresh, additive-free, homemade superfood ice cream in seconds. Also, drink Takay on the go when you're in a rush. Every flavor was created by a team of chefs and nutritionists, and each serving has the nutritional value of a complete meal. Takay started in Ecuador, the most biodiverse place on the planet and largest exporter of tropical fruits in the world. The problem is, 25% of fruits are wasted before reaching global markets, only because of cosmetic standards. Even if fruits are slightly too long or too short, they're thrown away despite being perfectly nutritious. This adds up to 150 Eiffel Towers of fruit waste each year. More is wasted on supermarket shelves worldwide because they go overripe before being bought. Ironically, these fruits lose 50% nutritional value given the long periods they spend in transit. So 50% of fruits are wasted before reaching us? Yes, that sucks. Takay changes the supply chain. We upcycle fruits before wasted and freeze them at peak nutrition right next to farms, in combination with superfoods from the wildest corners of Ecuador. We are Takay, on a mission to end food waste.